Look at the camera and go like kind of like that.
I feel like a creep.
Stupid. Hey. You're supposed to pose. Oh my god. Okay.
Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to my channel once again. Well, in today's video I have a special guest, my favorite and only sister. In today's video we're going to be attempting to do the transform my sister into me challenge. I must say I've never done makeup on anybody else, like ever. So I don't know cómo te vas a ver al final de esto. The only thing I can guarantee es que te vas a ver mejor de lo que te ves ahorita. Alright, so with that said, if you want to see how I transform my sister into me with this Valentine inspired look, please keep watching.
It's just to push your head. I see. Oh my god, look, ball, that's fun.
You have like no eyelid. I need to like do surgery on you before we can continue. Wanna try here. Ahorita estoy buscando la cuenca del ojo and I'm like, where is it? The fuck is the cuenca? Así se le dice como... Sounds like a cow. La cuenca es like donde se divide el párpado de acá de la ceja. Spanish word of the day. Hacerle las cejas. Estoy usando el same makeup que usaría en mí, so I think I'm a little bit darker than you are. Now this is what I'm mostly afraid of, the eyebrows. Because clearly she got my father's eyebrows, meaning almost nothing.
Yeah, you don't need makeup on it.
A little or a lot?
A lot.
Okay. Thanks. I'm going to move to... Clearly bought that at Walgreens. You sweat a lot, like I do, so I know what. You want to raise your your armpit up, so I put some in.
Can we go out tonight?
I had a panic attack because my camera stopped recording and I thought we didn't film anything. So I was like, and then she goes, we have to go out now because you know. Alright. So, did I scare you?
Fuck yeah.
Don't wrinkle your face because it's gonna set with wrinkles. I'm gonna blow your face. Can you fix your hair? And ta-da! That is the final look. What do you think?
I look better than you.
Like, is it a look you would totally wear?
Yes, if you did.
You like it, Kimberly? We hope that you like this video, and I hope that my sister gets to be with me in more videos. I might have to pay her, you know, some money for that to happen, but
definitely with some tacos.
I definitely do think we have some resemblance. What do you guys think? Comment down below. ¿Creen que nos parecemos? Some people say we don't. Some people say we do. I am 4 years older than her, even if it doesn't look like it. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Les mandamos ciberbesos y ciberabrazos y nos vemos en el próximo video. Recuerden hacerle like, suscribirse y comentar qué fue su parte favorita de este video en la parte de abajo y nos vemos en el próximo video. Bye.